Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is find the value of k for which the given equation have real and equal roots. And the given equation is k plus 1 into x to the power 2 minus 2 into k minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So guys, this is one of the questions that came from the chapter quadratic equation, and this question came in the CBSE board exam of the year 2002. So guys, this looks like to be also an important question. So let's move ahead and try to solve this question. So the given equation is k plus 1 into x to the power 2. Let us start writing it down. It is like k plus 1 to the power 2, k plus 1 to the power 2, it is k plus 1 into x to the power 2 minus 2 k minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So guys, this equation is of the form k plus 1 x to the power 2 minus 2 k1 minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So guys, if we recall, our quadratic equation is always of the format ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now guys, let us try to compare this equation with the given equation. Let us compare ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0 with the given equation like k plus 1 into x to the power 2 minus 2k minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if we compare, you can see that we will get the value of a is k plus 1, value of b will be minus 2k minus 1, and the value of c will be only 1. This is what I extracted these values looking at the quadratic formula, the quadratic equation identity. Ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now guys, it is always advisable to read the question once or twice or thrice and keep in mind what exactly is being given here. So if you look into the question says that we need to find the value of k for which the equation has real and equal roots. So as per the question, this equation is having real and equal roots. See, this equation is having real and equal roots. This is most important point here guys. This equation, the given equation, real and equal roots, the given equation is having real and equal roots. So what does it mean? If a given quadratic equation is having real and equal roots, then that discriminant is equal to 0. Or I can say discriminant means nothing but b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Hope guys we know all these things by this point of time. I'm not going to tell like how or why, like what happens when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. You can refer my other videos if you do not understand like why like b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, or what happens exactly when it is 0, or when it is less than 0, or when it is greater than 0. So let us keep in mind, when we have or when we know that there are real and equal roots, then definitely discriminant is equal to 0, or b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now let us find out the value for b square minus 4ac, let us solve this equation that we got here. So b square minus 4ac can be written as b value is minus 2 into k minus 1 square. So this is b square minus 4 into a value is k plus 1 and c value is 1, 4ac. Or I can write b square minus 4ac is equal to, just guys, I'm trying to solve this equation. So what I'm going to do, let me solve this minus 2 into k minus 1 inside the bracket first. So this will become minus 2k plus 2, and I can write to the power 2 minus 4 into k plus 1. Now guys, I'm just trying to solve this equation. You people also can do the same thing, and you can also solve this. This is very easy and very straightforward one. Anyone can solve these equations. So let's see. B square minus 4ac is equal to minus 2k plus 2 whole square. Now this is nothing but a square plus b square minus plus 2ab. So this a square minus 2k to the power 2 plus b square plus 2 into a into b. B value here is b value here is 2 minus 4k minus 4. Or, but we need to be very attentive while solving any equations, otherwise we might end up in doing some type of silly mistakes. So minus 2k to the power 2 is nothing but 4k square plus 2 to the power 2 is 4, then 2 into minus 2k into 2, which is like minus 2 to the 4 to the 8k minus 4k minus 4, or b square minus 4ac is equal to 4k square. Then you could see that we have plus 4 and here we have minus 4. It cancels out. And then we are left with minus 8k minus 4k, which is minus 12k. Or b square minus 4ac is equal to, if I take the common out like 4k, I could see that 4k is the common here in this, then I could write this equation as k minus 3, 4k into k minus 3. Hope this step is clear. Just I took out 4k is common. I could see that 4k is the common, that I can take it out. Or I can write b to the power 2 minus 4ac is equal to 4k into k minus 3. You could see that I took that particular thing as common. So what I can write, and we very well know that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, because this equation is having equal roots, real and equal roots. So in other words, I can write, you could see how easily I'm just converting the things now. B square minus 4ac, we got the value of 4k into k minus 3. Now we very well know that if the equation is having real and equal roots, then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So instead of b square minus 4ac, I'm going to replace the value that I got, like 4k into k minus 3 is equal to 0. Or I can say that here you could see that I got two values of 4k. One is like 4k is equal to, I can write the two values of k in this way. 4k is equal to 0. Or let us solve this like this. Or I can say, instead of doing in the other way, let's do it like this. Or I can say k minus 3 is equal to 0 upon 4k. Guys, we very well know that if we divide anything upon 0 upon anything, then that value is 0. So I can write k minus 3 is equal to 0 or k is equal to 3. Guys, you could see that how easily we are able to find the value of k is equal to 3. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process. This is very easy and very straightforward, but you need to understand and we need to very mindfully work out our equation. Guys, if you really understood, it's well and good, or else you can reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your questions or comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.